What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to get the MCOC promotion codes for the year of 2024. And in this video I will show you a complete guide how to get the codes even if this video will be expired in few months, and the codes will be regenerated and re-uploaded on the website for the latest timeline. So if you are gonna search for the codes in this video, I will show you the complete process. So what you have to do is to go to your Google Chrome and search MCOC promotion codes 2024. So there are some websites that I really recommend using it because I trust those websites for the codes. One of them is the Destruct OID. The other one is the GameRant.com, which is not labeled over here because one of the reason is that there is no currently available codes for the MCOC game at the current moment. But don't worry, because the codes updated every month. So when the latest code will be uploaded, the codes will be uploaded on the website here. So you guys can visit different sort of websites in order to get those codes. So here you guys can see that. Here you guys can see that the expired Marvel Contents of Champions code are right here. So these are the codes for the month of the November. So how you can redeem it, all you have to do is to go to the this section of the promotion codes, and in that, head over to the Marvel Contest of Champions Summoners Market page, sign into your Kabam account, scroll down until you see the promotion code section. Here, just add the code and click on the apply code option. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.